Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or much depending on your location. Please join in the struggle to liberate our people from the contraption. Like and share videos. Today is Friday, the 19th day of April 2024. I bring you news update. This is death penalty. We can't prepare Kanu's defense. That's according to the legal team. Yes. Now, the lead counsel and the legal team to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, that's Onyendomas Kanu, has identified a major hindrance to properly preparing the defense against the charges with the death penalty against Masinam Kanu. Yes, Ejima made this known in Abuja while addressing the media, where he lamented that the conversations the IPOB leader had with his legal team were extremely monitored and is hampering their defense preparation. He said, quote, "It's not about having access to our client. We do have access, but it is monitored and hampered to the point that we are unable to discuss with him, to the point of confidentiality that is guaranteed between a lawyer and his client, and enhances the defense we want to prepare to defend him against charges that carry the death penalty. Our position conforms with the law. Section 36 of the Nigerian Constitution says, unless a fair hearing can be guaranteed, no Nigerian should be subjected to any trial." End of quote. And so this is what the legal team said about continuing the defense of Mazinam Kanu. Yes, of course, the legal team said they will not continue the defense unless there is, the ground is well prepared for a fair hearing or fair trial. Yes, talking about death penalty, you want the leader of the IPOB to be tried in these circumstances, okay? The legal team said no way. They are not going to continue the trial unless they have seen the ground well prepared for fair trial. Of course, the judge, the Federal High Court judge, the court Bintanyako, was annoyed. Okay, yes, that the IPOB leaders' legal team failed to, present their defense so that the trial will commence. Yes, at the last court hearing, she was fuming that she's going to detain Mazinam Kanu indefinitely. You've seen it. So, but the legal team said they're not going to, be intimidated by that statement or by that harassment. Yes, it was a threat. Said they will not be intimidated. They're going to prepare very well. Yes, so that they will not enter into trouble. They have placed bobby traps for them. That's what these people are doing. The DSS, the High Court, they are aiding and abetting this DSS. Of course, the federal government is pushing the DSS. DSS is working under the control of the Attorney of the Federation, right? Yes. That is it. So they are trying to frustrate Mazinam Kanu's case. That is it. But the legal team said they will not budge. Yes. They have set bobby traps so that Mazinam Kanu would enter into it for them to convict him. Yes. Because from all indications, there's no evidence that this Tinubu want to tear the path of peace in this case of Mazinam Kanu. It's obvious that he wants to tear the path of destruction. Yes, for the contraption. Because a country that failed to obey their laws, the laws of their own land, of course, they are doomed. They are heading for destruction. You made a law and you want to obey your law. So what's the consequence of that action? It's destruction. Yes. So Tinubu is trying to head the country to a rock. Yes. By what he's doing. How can you be telling DSS to be monitoring closely, extremely, the conversations of Mazinam Kanu with his lawyers? Everything is being recorded. No space. Okay? So You don't allow them to have a ground for a fair trial. So the defense team said, look, they are not ready to present any defense for the trial to start unless the ground is completely okay, that they have seen it. The evidence is abundantly clear that they are ready for a fair trial because it's even enshrined in the Constitution. Yes, that's what the legal team is saying. So it conforms with the section 36 of the Nigerian Constitution that says, unless a fair hearing can be guaranteed, no Nigerian should be subjected to any trial. But in this case, no ground for fair hearing or fair trial. You understand? So the federal government want to just convict Mazam Kanu. Yes, and hang him to death. But that will not happen. The legal team said they will not go into such trial with the Federal High Court. If they like, they should rant from now till, So they've said it. They will not. So Binta and Nyako continue to shout. You can get frustrated. It's not Mazin Amka that will get frustrated. Yes. So that is it. That is the position of the legal team. And it's been supported by well-meaning Nigerians who support freedom, not just Biafrans. Yes? So that is it. No trial, no defense being presented until there is, an evidence, clear evidence that a ground for fair hearing, for fair trial, has been established by the authorities. That is it, by the Nigerian authorities. Otherwise, we'll continue to roll like that. Yes? We'll continue to roll. Yes. No problem. He's in detention, right? Good. But he has not been convicted. They want to convict him and hang him to death. It will not work that way. Let it be under illegal detention. Simple. Mazin Amka is currently under illegal detention. No problem. Let's continue with that. Since they have said they will not release him. So they want the legal team to dabble into this nonsense so that they will convict Mazin Amka and hang him to death. The legal team said they're not going to be a party to that. So they are standing their ground. And that is the right thing to do. When they are ready for a fair trial, for a fair hearing, let them come up.